So Starwood was out here about 4 years ago now, and it's difficult to look back and imagine that they bought into the vision for this block and for downtown El Paso very quickly, which candidly was a little bit of a surprise. Downtown El Paso didn't have nearly as much going on at the time, and particularly this area didn't. And so when they immediately said, we see the vision as well, it was quite corroborating for us. This sort of project takes a lot of leadership and a lot of vision from the community, and everyone from city to county to state and even federal incentives to make this work. And the fact that everyone shared in this vision, including different local investors, different local people who are going to be staying here and coming to the bar and utilizing the facilities here for meetings, people from out of town who will stay here. So it really is a community project, and I think everyone deserves to have a pat on the back for sharing in that vision. So I'll say thank you to everyone who was a part of this, because it truly was hundreds of people to get this project done. So thank you very much. Come down here often. If you happen to have too much to drink, we'll find a room for you. Don't worry about that. Heidi will, I'll say. And thank you again. I hope everyone has a good time, and we'll be seeing you here very often.
Thank you, Lane. As Lane mentioned, there were a number of people who played a part in making this hotel a reality, and one of those was the city of El Paso. And this project couldn't have happened with their support, their commitment to our downtown revitalization, and their commitment to historic preservation. Here with us today on behalf of the city is District 8 City Representative Sissy Lizarga.
Thank you, Joe. Good afternoon. This is a great day for El Paso. I'm honored to be here today to celebrate the accomplishments of Lane Gaddy and his group of visionaries. Lane, I'm thinking of your grandfather, Burl Gaddy, this afternoon, who was my dentist as a little girl and growing up. He was such a kind soul. He had a great sense of humor. Most kids, I think, are afraid of going to the dentist, as well as some adults. I was never afraid of going to the dentist because he always made me feel safe and comfortable. And he had great treats. I'm also thinking of your dad, Pito, who I went to grade school with at St. Patrick's. All the girls had a crush on him because of his big, beautiful blue eyes. How proud your dad must be of you. And I know your grandpa is smiling down from the heavens above. It's a pleasure to be here today at this commemoration of a new Aloft Hotel in a building formerly known as the OT Bassett Tower. It's the same building, yet it has been transformed and restored close to its original glory, perhaps even surpassing that. But we will never know for sure because none of us were here to experience the marvel when it was brand new some 87 years ago. Congratulations, Lane, on your vision for our city. It's a beautiful building worthy of preservation, and it's a great thing for El Paso and downtown. Congratulations.
Without further ado, we'll bring out the big scissors, have everybody gather around, and if the audience can help me when we're ready, we'll count down to 3. 3, 2, 1.
All right, on to the bar, I guess. Thank you.